Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I have been wanting to make a cornbread salad, and I'm setting out to do that today. I've got my cornbread made. It's behind me. It's cooling. Now, y'all know by now I don't make sweet cornbread, but I added a little bit of sugar to that because I thought it would go well with the salad. We'll see, right? But first of all, I'm going to start with getting all my ingredients prepped and cut up. I have some lettuce here. I chose today to get romaine. Actually, it looked better than the other lettuces in the store. So this is just a small batch. If we need some more lettuce, I've got some spinach I thought I would use. And I may just throw some of that in there anyway. I like spinach in a salad, do you? But I'm going to get this cut up, and this has already been trimmed. The ends have been trimmed off of it, and it just looks delicious. It was such a pretty bunch of romaine, and I'm not going to put any dressing on it. We can put our own salad dressing. We like different things, actually. We might settle with Catalina today, and that's okay. So let's get this cut up. Now, we want to set this aside. I think the hardest part is prepping all the ingredients. So isn't that a beautiful bowl of salad there? Looky there. And I've got my trifle bowl. We're going to put it together in this beautiful trifle bowl. Okay, so I have got something else I want, and I'm just going to put it right back on this plate. It's the broccoli. I told y'all that Mel, in the kitchen with Mama Mel, put me on to broccoli in my salad. And I'm so glad she did. She is like my sister from another mister, and I just love her to death. And she mentioned it, and I've seen her put it in her salad, and I thought, I'm going to try it. And by golly, I liked it. And it gives it a crunch. And so I thought it was just fitting that I put it in this salad today. So thank you, Mel. Okay. Let's get this cut up. I'm just chopping it into little florets. See, just little baby florets. And I've got some green onions that I went ahead and cleaned up. I took the liberty of cleaning them up ahead of time. So this is 6 green onions, but they're not very big. They're little, some of them are just really small. But anyway, they're still going to be good. So let's cut that up. And I'm cutting them into about 1/2-inch pieces. And I like green onions in salad. Tell me what y'all put in your salads. If you were to make this, or maybe many of you do make this. And just tell me what you put in yours. So let's set that on this plate. And I've got a cucumber. I love cucumbers. I've got an English cucumber, and I just cut it in half. I like the English cucumbers, or if I can find the little baby cucumbers or Persian cucumbers, I like those. The seeds aren't very big in them, and they say the English cucumbers are seedless. They got teeny tiny seeds in it. So I'm just going to cut this in quarters. And they're between 1/2 and 1/4 inch. And we're going to sit this right here on this plate. I just want to get all of our ingredients ready, so that way it'll make putting it together very simple. I've got some the little sweet peppers here. I like these things, y'all. I love to take them and cut them open and put cream cheese in it. Now that's very good. And I think y'all have seen me do that. I did a birthday for Pop, and I put some stuff out, and that was one of them. And trust me, they didn't last long. I just want to cut the seeds out. So let me get these peppers chopped up. It won't take me but a minute. And I'll be right back. And I think other than the tomatoes, I may go ahead and cut those up. And other than the tomatoes, we're ready to start putting this together. So y'all give me a minute, okay? All right, I got the rest of the veggies chopped up, the onion, the peppers, the tomatoes. I've got a can of yellow kernel corn that I drained. That was Pop's idea. And my cornbread's cut up, my lettuce, I've got some cheese. All I've got is bagged cheese today, but that's okay. Some croutons, salad toppings, some chow mein noodles. Let's start putting this together, okay? So let's put a handful of lettuce down here in the bottom of our bowl. Isn't that beautiful already? Now, I am just going to take a handful of all of it, and it doesn't matter in what combination. I'm not trying to do, keep the layers separate. So we just want it to be pretty, and we want it to be good. That's the main thing, y'all. It's got to be delicious. Now let's put some broccoli on here. And I have some carrots. These are carrots out of my garden, y'all. And I ground it up with a little cheese grinder thing. And we're going to put a few of these on here. It's easier to use my hand. And y'all know my hands are washed. Okay. And these are Campari tomatoes. And I washed them. I cut them up in quarters. And I love the Campari. My mother-in-law put me on to these years ago. And they are just absolutely delicious. Can y'all see how that's coming along already? Isn't that pretty? Now, what's next? Let's put some corn. Let's use our hands. Let's sprinkle some of this beautiful yellow kernel corn. Now, if you've got some fresh corn on the cob and you want to cut it off the cob and use that, that would be absolutely amazing. There we go. And see, we're just seeing layer after layer. I think y'all can see this coming together. Now for the cornbread. It is a cornbread salad after all. Yes. Now, when I made my cornbread, I told you I put some sugar in it. I didn't put a lot. I made just my small skillet of cornbread, and I put just maybe a couple of tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, because I didn't want it real sweet. And but I also put some of my little jalapenos I told y'all about. They're like jalapenos without the heat. And I put some of that in there. Okay, so we want the cornbread because it's a cornbread salad. There we go. I think that's good. But let's put some, let's put some salad toppings. We're just going to do a good shake of those, however much you want. We're not measuring today. And I want some chow mein noodles. I just want that crunch. Oh, it's going to be so good, y'all. I went through the store thinking, what can I put on a salad? And I come across different things. I thought that would be beautiful on a salad. And we'll save some croutons for last. I didn't salt and pepper the tomatoes, guys. We'll get that on the next round. Y'all don't let me forget. Okay, cheese. Y'all about to let me forget the cheese. I don't care what kind of cheese it is. It's good. So I've got some cheddar cheese. Just going to put a little bit of that. And I've got some Colby Jack. And we're going to put a little bit of this. Oh, my. Yeah, we might have to be farming out salad to the neighbors. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Now, let's kind of mush it down. So we got some more to put on here. Where's more lettuce? We want it piled high, y'all. We want this to be a delicious, beautiful salad. Okay, lettuce. There we go. Yes, and like I said, it doesn't matter what order you put it on there. Just get it on there. What's left over, you can have your salad on the side one day. Get some of these beautiful peppers. Kind of get them to the side so you can see them. And these onions, purple onions, red onions. What do y'all call them? I don't know why we call them red onions because they're purple. So let's get them on here. Some broccoli. This is just going to be so good. Let's put the rest of those beautiful, beautiful sweet peppers on there. Okay, set that aside. Some these grated carrots. Oh my goodness. I can just taste this now. I'm not good, like I told you, I'm not going to put any dressing on it. But if you wanted to, you could let that be your last layer. Okay. Excuse me. Tomatoes. Let's put the rest of our little Campari tomatoes on here. Oh. This is just getting more and more better. Okay. Now, let's put a little bit of salt, okay? We're just going to sprinkle, just lightly, sprinkle some salt. Okay, so some more corn. A little bit more right there. And then we're going to top it with some more chow mein noodles. And I wished I had put my salad fixings on. Let's do that. Salad toppings, y'all, excuse me. Let's go ahead and put those on. Now, and we're going to end with, if we got everything, no, we're going to put some more cornbread on here. I got croutons, but why do we want croutons? We got cornbread. And you know what you can do would be really good is cut your cornbread up and then toast it in the oven, and it'll dry out and get crispy, and you can have you some cornbread croutons. I've done that, and it is delicious. I'm trying to pick out the prettier pieces, because that's what I want showing on the outside. Here we go. Look here, guys. Let's move some of this out of the way. Can you see that beautiful salad right there? I know you can. I don't know why I asked you that. Isn't that amazing? Now, for dinner tonight, and I'm not going to taste this right now, but we're going to cook a steak on the grill. I've got a huge porterhouse steak, y'all. They had them on sale at the grocery store. $10.99 a pound. And some of you may think that's expensive. I do, but it's cheaper than what I've been finding. I've got cheese on the top layer. It's not too late. And so I'm going to cook that. I'm going to roast some little fingerling potatoes. And we're going to have this cornbread salad on the side. How does that sound to y'all? Now, I'm going to try to take a picture of this, put together for you, just so you'll see it. And I'm not going to taste it now because we all taste salad. Anyway, I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to sit it right there and let you look at it. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And I hope you'll come back and visit with us really soon because I so enjoy having you in my kitchen with me. Pop would be in here with me saying hello, but he's out working in the yard again. That's what the man does. That's what he likes. So, but don't forget, y'all, please, we have 2 cookbooks out. Many of you know, many of you have them, and I certainly appreciate each and every one of you. Volume 1 and Volume 2. Regardless if you've got a cookbook, I appreciate you. But I hope you'll think about getting one. And y'all, please come back and visit with me. I love having you in my kitchen. It gives me company. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit the notification button so you'll know when we post another video. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon.